In this tutorial, I will show you how to upload and edit photos in Canva. First, open Canva and go to your home page. Click on Create a Design or open an existing project. Now go to the Uploads tab and click on Upload Files. Select a photo from your device and wait for it to upload. Once uploaded, drag the photo onto your canvas. Click on the photo to select it. Now click on Edit Photo in the top toolbar. You will see options like Filters, Effects, and Adjust. Click on Filters to apply a style to your image. Go to Effects to add creative edits like blur or other effects. Use Adjust to control brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. Keep adjusting until your photo looks clean and polished. Once you're happy with your image, click on Share in the top corner. Click Download and choose PNG or JPG. Canva will export your edited photo ready to use. That is how you upload and edit photos in Canva.